Do you wish you could go to a real estate investment seminar led by an instructor who spoke in simple terms, made it easy to understand, and actually had lots of investing experience themselves? Have you ever wanted to get into real estate investing but not sure what to do or how to do it? Well, that's exactly what we teach. First, we took a complex subject and made it simple. Hi, I'm Wayne Morgan with the Real Estate Business School. From the basics to sophisticated property analysis, when you attend the Principles of Investing event, you'll learn more than 90% of the real estate investors in the country, and you'll have fun doing it. This is a real-world real estate investing class taught by a real estate broker with hundreds of real estate transactions and 6 years on the road with Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and many other books. The content is organized into easy-to-understand sessions, and we take the mystery out of the subject. Without all the jargon, slang, buzzwords, and cliches, the subject matter is easy to learn and use. But that's just the beginning. With no mind-numbing lectures, this event was built for fun. This experiential learning event was designed for the adult learner who wants to roll up their sleeves, get to work, and learn by doing. With case studies, games, and activities, you will learn more faster with greater retention than ever before. Click here for more details and watch the wealth video and plug in your wealth number. If you want to improve your wealth number, register today. Learn how to create an unending stream of cash flow that flows to you every month, whether you work or not. Thank you.